Yes, question number 5. In given figure, DE is parallel to EQ, OQ. DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. Then show that EF is parallel to QR. Again, I am explaining. See here. DE is parallel to OQ. That is why one arrow it is. For another arrow, DF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR. Then what you have to show? EF is parallel to QR. You have to show that EF is parallel to QR. Okay, now I am taking two triangles. One triangle is POQ. POQ. In this one, these two sides, these two lines are parallel. DE and OQ both are parallel. You have to concentrate on this triangle only. Then what we can say? PD upon DQ DO. PD upon DO is equal to what? PE upon EQ. So I am writing here PE upon EQ. This is by PPT theorem. Now I am taking one another triangle, that is POR. In this one, DF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR. Then by PPT theorem, what we can do? PD upon DO is equal to PF upon FR. So I have to write here PF upon FR. This is equation number 2 by BPT theorem. Then by first and second, what we can say? By first and second, PD upon DO is common. So I have to write here PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. Okay, if both are equal, then what we can say? Okay, then we can say by converse of BPT theorem, we can say if PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR, it is the meaning, then definitely EF should be parallel to QR. Then EF should be parallel to QR by converse of BPT. Next question is, in figure A, B and C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ. Here AB is parallel to PQ and PR is parallel to AC. AC is parallel to PR. Show that BC is parallel to QR. This you have to show BC is parallel to QR. So I have to take two triangles. One is POQ and second triangle is POR, and these two sides are parallel and we will use BPT theorem. Now I am taking two triangles. One triangle is OPQ where AB is parallel to PQ, which is given to you. Then what will be OA upon AP is equal to what you will get? OB upon BQ. Okay, OB upon BQ. I am writing here OB upon BQ. This is equation number 1 by BPT theorem. Now again I am using BPT theorem. In triangle OPR where AC is parallel to PR, AC is parallel to PR, then what will be? OA upon AP is equal to OC upon CR. So I am writing here OC upon CR by BPT theorem. See here, OA upon AP both are equal. Then what you will get? OB upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR by first and second. If these two ratios are equal, then by converse of BPT, okay, what is given? OB upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR in triangle OQR. Say BC is parallel to QR. Okay, reason by converse of BPT. Yes, by BPT, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to the another side bisects the third side. Okay, what you have given? AD upon DB. AD upon DB it is given to you, and DE is parallel to BC, it is given to you. And what you have to show, AE upon EC, AE is equal to EC, you have to show that. Okay, for that I am taking one triangle ABC, and where it is given to you DE is parallel to BC. Then by BPT theorem what we can do? AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So I am writing here AE upon EC. This is by BPT theorem. Okay, but what we have given, AD is equal to DB. Okay, AD is equal to DB, both are equal, no? AD upon D, this is on place of DB, I am writing AD again. So AE upon EC, cut AD to AD, what you will get? 1 is equal to AE upon EC, then cross multiply, AE is equal to EC. This you have to show. This is your answer. Yes, next question is, prove that the line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Okay, midpoints of any, this is D is the midpoint of AB and E is midpoint of AC. Okay, then what is the meaning? AD is equal to DB because D is midpoint, E is midpoint. What is the meaning? AE is equal to EC. What you have to show? DE is parallel to BC. Then proof. Whatever is given, AD is equal to DB, you write here. Then after what to do? You can make it like this. AD upon DB is equal to 1, equation number 1, and AE upon EC is equal to 1, equation number 2. Then by 1 and 2 what we can say? By 1 and 2 what we can say? By 1 and 2, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. If ratios are equal, then lines should be parallel. Then we can say DE should be parallel to BC by converse of BPT, basic proportionality theorem.